Welcome to our channel!
Hello guys, welcome back to FemMNY, and if you're new to this channel, we're glad to have you here, and welcome to our channel, FemMNY. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please subscribe to our channel to help our channel grow. So for today's video, I'll be making this floral arrangement from the previous video that we made before, and most of you requested to see how I made the arrangement. So this is the video, and I will be showing you guys how to make that one. It's very simple and it's DIY. So I use this one right here. This is a dry floral foam. You can buy it online or your local store. So you can use any base or anything that you can use on to use it as a holder to stand. Okay, just push this here. This is just so I can have it standing up, so I don't have to hold. Okay, and all the materials that you see here, we'll put it in the description down below. So we got this dry leaf right here. We also got it online. As I said, I just use this base as a holder. Okay, so we got one right here. So this is very easy. Just put it on the back side of your floral foam. Stick it on the center. Just like that. This is very simple. So I made the first one, the middle one, longer, and as you go along it gets shorter. So if you are in the floral, right there, so if you work in a floral shop, this is easy for you. So I don't have any background on floral arrangement, but this is just a DIY, as I said. Like that, guys. And then I add some of this. Give it a little accent. Some of this. So if you want it thicker, you can always add some more of this. Just like that. It's very simple. Then I'll add this here so it's nice and full. Like that. Looking good so far. And then you have your flower. Just stick it right on the center. Just arrange it in place like that until it looks good. There you go, guys, just like that. It looks nice, right? And on the back, so again, if I want to make it fuller, I will put some more here. It's so easy to make. Just like that, guys. Now the balloon part. So we'll put this on the side. We'll make the balloon. Now it's time to inflate our balloon. So I have two already made. So this is clusters of balloons. So there's no particular size on how you inflate your balloon. So it doesn't matter which size. Two, attach them together. Put this on the side. So we're gonna tie them. I make them a little, there's a gap right here. Tie them close to the tip of your balloon, because there's a reason when we wrap this on the base of the floral foam. So I have a paper here. You can either wrap this floral foam with paper or plastic. Just like that. This is optional. You don't have to do this, but this is just easier for me so the balloon won't go through your floral foam. So just put one in here. One here. So all you need to do is wrap this two first, and then on the back wrap this around your floral foam. Just like that. So now you have your base right there. It'll stand by its own. You don't need this no more. And then do the same thing. You attach more to your existing balloon. See this? Wrap it around here. Like that. Okay, and then you can add this. You can either use 260Q or do the same process on the other side. Hold on, let me put this down. So right here, do the same thing on the opposite side. On this side. Then arranged it in place. Alright guys, so this is our arrangement right here. So this is what we do. I made this ahead of time, like the day before the event. So you prep this, and then when you go to the location, you bring this and attach this whole thing, entire thing, to your garland, just like what you see on the video right there from our previous video. So I attach the whole garland to the whole bouquet, I should say, to your garland, and then just use your 260Q or whatever you use to attach this whole thing with the whole arrangement. Alright guys, alright, and there you go guys, this is finally done. This is our arrangement, as you can see at the back, right there, side, there you go. It's easy to make. This is our DIY floral arrangement. Alright guys, I hope you like this. And if you do like this, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. If you have any suggestion, comment, please leave it in the comment section down below, and please stick around for our comments of the day. Alright, with that said, thank you guys so much for watching, and once again, this is FemMMNY. We will see you guys in our next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Bye.